Introduction to Artificial Neural Networks ANNS. What is artificial neural network? An artificial neural network ANN is nothing but the piece of a computing system designed to simulate the way the human brain analyzes and processes information. Artificial neural networks have self-learning capabilities that enable them to produce better results as more data becomes available. An ANN is based on a collection of connected units of or nodes called artificial neurons, which loosely model the neurons in a biological brain. The artificial neural network and the neural networks are same because they mimic the architecture of biological nervous systems. Artificial neural networks are the obvious method of choice for modeling the brain. What is deep neural network? Deep neural networks are responsible for self-driving vehicles, which learn to recognize traffic signs as well as for voice-controlled virtual assistants. What is machine learning? Machine learning is making the computer learn from studying data and statistics. Machine learning is a step into the direction of artificial intelligence. Artificial neural network. Artificial neural network is the component of artificial intelligence that is meant to simulate the functioning of a human brain. Processing units make up ANNs, which in turn consist of inputs and outputs. The inputs are what the ANN learns from to produce the desired output. A neural network is a series of algorithms that endeavors to recognize underlying relationships in a set of data through a process that mimics the way the human brain operates. Neural networks can adapt to changing input, so the network generates the best possible result without needing to redesign the output criteria. A neural network, in the case of artificial neurons called artificial neural network or simulated neural network SNN, is an interconnected group of natural or artificial neurons that uses a mathematical or computational model for information processing based on a connectionist approach to computation. Neural networks are a set of algorithms modeled loosely after the human brain that are designed to recognize patterns. They interpret sensory data through a kind of machine perception, labeling, or clustering raw input. Neural networks help us cluster and classify. You can think of them as a clustering and classification layer on top of the data you store and manage. They help to group unlabeled data according to similarities among the example inputs, and they classify data when they have a labeled dataset to train on. Neural networks can also extract features that are fed to other algorithms for clustering and classification. So you can think of deep neural networks as components of larger machine learning applications involving algorithms for reinforcement learning, classification, and regression. History of artificial neural network. The first artificial neural network was invented in 1958 by psychologist Frank Rosenblatt called perceptron. It was intended to model how the human brain processed visual data and learned to recognize objects. An artificial neural network is a biological inspired computational model formed from hundreds of single units, artificial neurons connected with coefficients, weights, which constitute the neural structure. A neural network is a collection of neurons with synapses connecting them. The main components of artificial neural network is input layer, hidden computation layer, output layer. What is input layer? The input layer is the first layer that prepare input data for artificial neural network. The input layer of a neural network is composed of artificial input neurons and brings the initial data into the system for further processing by subsequent layers of artificial neurons. The hidden layer is the middle section between the input layer and output layer where all types of computations takes place. The interior layers are sometimes called hidden layers because they are not directly observable from the systems into the and outputs, inputs and outputs. Hidden computation layers in which the function applies weights to the inputs and directs them through an activation function at the output. In short, the hidden layers perform nonlinear transformations of the inputs entered into the network. Output layer, the output layer which is the last and final layer that shows results input through input layer applications. The artificial neural network is interdisciplinary approach in its development and applications. It has various applications of use. Speech recognition, voice recognition using artificial neural networks and Gaussian mixture models. The ability of recognition systems to correctly recognize speakers based on their speech waveform distribution depends largely on how the recognition system can train the model parameters so as to provide the best class of discrimination. Character recognition. Optical character recognition deals in recognition and classification of characters from an image. For the recognition to be accurate, certain topological and geometrical properties are calculated, based on which a character is classified and recognized. Signature verification application. There are many biometric characteristics by which one can have own identity like face recognition, fingerprint detection, iris inspection, and retina scanning. In non-vision based techniques, voice recognition and signature verification are most widely used. Verification can be performed either online or offline. Online system of signature verification uses dynamic information of a signature captured at the time the signature is made. Offline system uses scanned image of signature. Human face recognition. A face using artificial neural network technique. The system is implemented in two stages. They are the learning stage and the testing stage. Language processing and translation. Google Neural Machine Translation (GNMT) is a neural machine translation (NMT) system developed by Google and introduced in November 2016 that uses an artificial neural network to increase fluency and accuracy in Google Translate. Language processing and translation. Neural machine translation (NMT) is an approach to machine translation that uses an artificial neural network to predict the likelihood of a sequence of words, typically modeling entire sentences in a single integrated model. Root detection. Using neural networks in road detection, input layer is consisted of neurodes, the same number as input parameters, and output layer is made up of just one neurode that shows the belief of network whether the input parameters can represent a road pixel or not. Forecasting. Artificial neural networks are forecasting methods that are based on simple mathematical models of the brain. They allow complex non-linear relationships between the response variable and its predictors. Thank you.